Measurement of matter, law of chemical combination, atom shape, mass valency, molecular mass and concept of mole and radicals. Now we have seen in this chapter the important point of measurement of matter. Can you recall? You see in your page number 46, what is the Dalton atomic theory? First, in last year 8th standard, we had seen who is Dalton and what its theory. Dalton proposed that matter is made up of very small particles. These small particles are called atom. An atom is a hard and solid ball. Being the smallest unit of matter, it is invisible. This is the first question in your textbook. And second question, who are the how are the compounds formed? The compounds are formed by a chemical reaction of a different element. What are the molecular formula of salt lime, water lime, limestone? Salt NaCl, slag lime, CaOH twice, water H2O, lime CaOH twice, limestone CaCO3. First, law of conservation of matter. There is no rise or drop in the weight of matter during a chemical reaction. In chemical reaction, the total weight of reactant is same as the total weight of product from due to the chemical reaction, and this is called the laws of conservation of matter. Student, in these laws of conservation of matter, they said scientists prove that if two reactants get together to form a product, if the mass of two reactants is 4, so after the reaction product mass is also 4. Laws of conservation of matter said that the weight of elements are same after reaction. Second law is law of constant proportion. The proportion by weight of the constituent element in the various sample of compound is fixed. Water is the best example of these laws. In these laws, scientists asked the weight of constituent element in the various sample of compound is fixed. That's mean in water H2O, weight of hydrogen and oxygen. Suppose 1 gram hydrogen and 8 gram oxygen to make a molecule of H2O. It's fixed. They never change. Changing the constituent element weight, the product is not formed. So in our real life, sometime we are taking 1 glass of water to make a dough of a half kg of flour. In that example, we have seen perfect how to make a perfect dough in 1 glass of water. If consistency of water change, the making of dough is change. Not perfect make dough. Like that, the laws of constant proportional is the same. If constituent of element slightly change, not make a new compound. Can you recall From which experiment was it discovered that atoms have an internal structure and when? In 1897, Sir J.J. Thomson studied the cathode rays in detail and determined the ratio of charge to the mass of cathode rays particle. The credit of discovery of electron is given to Sir J.J. Thomson. So, Sir J.J. Thomson had discovered the electron. Second question, what are the two parts of atom? What are they made up of? The entire mass of atom is concentrated centrally situated a positively charged small core called a nucleus. The negatively charged electron move around the nucleus in different orbits. The nucleus consists of positively charged proton and electrically neutral neutron. The proton is made up of three quarks. Similarly, the neutron is made up of three quarks. Research is going on all fundamental particles. In this question, they ask two type of an atom, parts of atom. They ask you what is a part of atom. So, in the atom, each and every element have atom and they contain at the center of that atom proton and neutron. Proton has positive charge, neutron has neutral. They have no any charge. But around the proton some orbit like solar system. At the center of solar system sun is present and all planets revolve in fixed orbit around the sun. Like that, proton is at the center have positive charge, electron have negative charge, they move around the nucleus, they move around the proton like a solar system. So, atom. What is atom? Atoms are very tiny. The fundamental particle in atom are the protons, neutrons and electrons. The proton is positively charged particle, the electron is negatively charged particle, the neutron is electrically neutral. The size of an atom is determined by its radius. The atomic radius of an isolated atom is the distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost orbit. It is expressed in nanometer. Student, what is atom? See here what is atom. At the center, get example, it is carbon atom. Carbon have 6 electron or atomic weight, atomic mass or atomic number. Atomic number is 6. So, at the center of carbon atom, proton and neutron is present. Around the center, first cell and first orbit is present. This first orbit contain electron. What is the atomic number? Atomic number is 6. Carbon atomic number is 6. So, in the first cell there are 2 electrons. So, In the atom, at the nucleus present positive charged proton and chargeless neutron. Around that nucleus, negative charged electron is present. They revolve in a fixed orbit. They revolve in a fixed orbit. So, atomic number of carbon is 6, 2 electron in first cell, and then remaining 4 electron in outermost cell. They also revolve in a fixed orbit. And next, remember in your textbook page number 49, atoms are very tiny. Modern instruments like electron microscope, field ion microscope, scanning, tunneling microscope have the capacity to show in large image of atom.